Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this class, we are going to discuss variables in Python. Let's start our session. What are variables in Python? Variables are the building blocks of Python. There is no program without variables in Python. Variables are nothing but containers that hold data. Variables are created when we assign any value to them. For example, a equals to 10 means we have assigned 10 to the variable a. Naming variables in Python. In Python, variables are case sensitive. For example, small a equals to 10 and capital A equals to 10 are two different variables. Legal names for variables include AB equals to 10, A underscore B equals to 10, underscore A underscore B equals to 10, A capital B equals to 10, capital A small b equals to 10, and capital A capital B equals to 10. Illegal names for variables include 2AB equals to 10, A hyphen B equals to 10, and A space B equals to 10. We can assign multiple values to variables. For example, a comma b comma c equals to 1 comma 2 comma 3. Here a equals to 1, b equals to 2, c equals to 3, and a comma b comma c comma d comma e equals to hello welcome to my channel. Here a equals to hello, b equals to welcome, c equals to 2, d equals to my, e equals to channel. That's all for today's session. I hope you guys liked our video. Please do subscribe and share this video with your friends.